All right, GMC Chevy Colorado Canyon radio bezel. Super easy. You do have to be careful though, because those vents right there, they have snaps on the backside. That on the backside of the vents here that kind of like pop off real easy. If they do pop off, it's not a crazy big deal. I'm sure they'll probably pop off when I pull this off. But I'll show you how to put them back on. But yeah, pretty much all you got here is you have a clip on the bottom side, one clip right there on the back side. So what you want to do is you stick your screwdriver in the edge here and just pop that out. Reach your hand across, pop that, because you got a clip right here and you got a clip right there. Just keep on going from the bottom up. Oh, there you go. Okay, so there's that one. That one's released. Okay, now this is where you want to be careful. Right here. All right, so see that they are coming separated. See how the vents stay in there? That's super common, but I'll show you how to pop them back in there. Right, so you just pull that off, really. Your hazard switch. Right there, you just got a little connector right there. You just pull up on that little tab right there. That takes that off. All right, and then you got a connector right there for your 4x4 switch if you have it. Okay, right there. See, this is the one. This is the vent right there. Right there. Trying to get a good there. Okay, yeah, so pretty much is like, see them little tabs right there on the top? They're the same on the bottom. And what you want to do is pry out. See what when they pop out, the little tabs go in the inside of it. Super hard to tell by the video, but pretty much you just want to push. Oh, that one popped back in. That one didn't. So when I get back to the office, I'm just going to pull this vent off, because all it is those little tabs right there, and they go on the outside of the vent, just like that. Super easy. All right, so as you can see in the video, where I took this bezel off, you can see where the vent tabs, where you would take these out and the vents always pop off, or they just pop off, or they're broken, and you want to just replace the vent. I'll show you right now how to do that. It's very easy. Okay, so these tabs right here, there's 4 tabs right there. Those are what holds your vent in. And what typically happens is when you pull this bezel out, the vents hit on the dash when you're taking it out, and it pops the vent off these tabs. That one has a crack, but that's still, it'll hold fine. So what you want to do is just make sure that these tabs, make sure it's not too cold when you do it, because they'll break. But these tabs right here, just make sure they're pushed away from the opening, so you have room. Just kind of bend them a little bit. All right. Take your vent. Now that you have bent your tabs back some, just take your vent and push it right in. Start on the bottom. Make sure the tabs are on the outside. And there's a lip. See that lip right there? You've got to make sure that the base part of this is beyond that lip. See how I'm pushing it down? So see, it just popped in on the bottom. Now on the top, you should be able to do the same thing. Make sure the lip's up on the going inside of it. Boom, popped them right in. The vent's now solid. That's it right there. I'll get back to the video. Yeah, the little clip stayed in there, which is right there. I'll grab that. That little clip just goes right here, just like that. pushes right on there. That's it, really. That is all. I sell these in my store. You can check the links. Oh, there's that tab. See that tab right there? It came right up. Boom, right on the outside of that. So I'm just going to pull the vent off, make sure that tab is on the outside of the vent on the back side. Super easy. Yeah, anyhow, I sell these in my store. They're getting a little hard to get, but check the links below, and there'll be a link to my store. If you guys have any other ideas on these Colorado canyons, on stuff you want to see taken off, throw it in the comments below. And like the video. That helps me out quite a bit. Alrighty, thank you. Hopefully this helped.